Hey guys, Keith, Jesse, our toys, the saw. We're just using the bench space of the saw right now because it's a nice iron surface. What we're doing is working on the Axial Scx24 wheels. We're trying to find some weight to put into them. We've come up with a couple pieces we've cut using the bandsaw. Right now Jesse is just mashing some pellets. They're a little bit too tall, so he's squishing them down, laying them over and squishing them flat so they fit in the tire like that. We're getting 7 in there. That's coming out to, what did you say, 6 grams? 6.2 grams? 6.6? 5.6.
5 point something.
Who knows? Anyway, about 6 grams of weight added that way. This chunk of lead started as one of these 14 gram chunks, quarter ounce, and, or is it 14? Sorry, half ounce. Sorry, 14 gram and half. Yeah, 14G, half ounce. And we've cut them into this shape, and this is going to sit on the back of the front differential below the input shaft, and just get a little more down low weight. And we're going to take them outside, run them in the rocks, get some filming. We're running earlier. We're just doing good, but you know, these things can do better. A little bit of weight down low is going to go great, and we're going to play with the tires. I'm going to take a sanding block, sand them down, scuff them up a bit, put a little bit of wear into them, and soften them up. So we'll catch you back with an update in a few minutes.
Yay!
What you doing?
I'm changing the size of the pellets so we can fit it.
Are you going to do the whole bucket just in case?
Yep. Gotta do the whole bucket.
That one's garbage.
Done. Time.
Beep. Okay, Jesse's got those pellets all smushed down. We're gonna use shoe goo to hold them in. When you do shoe goo, you want to use just enough to use, one wheel at a time. This stuff sets up incredibly fast. So I'm just using a zip tie, and I'm just caking this all around the inside because it's stock plastic wheel. It doesn't have to be fancy. We're just after an advantage here. You're not going to see it from the outside. Advantage being a little bit more weight down low. We haven't moved the ESC combo or the battery pack or nothing yet. We're just going to add a bit of weight and go with that at first. So you'll need a knife, tool, screwdriver, something like that to get these all pushed in so you're not wearing all of your shoe goo. You can put them in whichever way you want. We decided to go this way for just aesthetic look, kind of give it a cool look. We had 8 in here before, but we like the squish lower profile, more deeper into the wheel, so then we went with just 7. It's never a great idea to add weight to the wheel, creates rotational mass. But this guy literally, like, there's nowhere to put weight. Unless you start putting it above the axle line. There's tons of places, but you don't want to have weight stacked above your axle line because that raises your center of gravity, and that is the exact opposite of what you want to do with any crawler. We're no professionals, but it makes sense. Boom! One done, laid out, let that dry. Like, that will be dry in like 5 minutes, like this one. Okay, so 14 gram lead wheel weight bandsaw. Get your parents' help. Cut a notch like that in there. Clean it up nice. Little bit of shoe goo on the diff. You can get that in there and line that up nice so it's not going to hook nothing. Get it in there, shoe goo it, let it dry. That's going to give you another like 10 grams, 8 grams in around there. That's more than enough you're going to need for this little bugger. So we're going to hit the trail with these in the next clip on this video. We'll see you on the rock. There you go, that's the right button. Okay guys, we're out in the garden here. We just finished all the mods working on the Deadbolts. Scx24 Deadbolt Axial. This guy here, we did flat black cowl on the hood, flat black cage, flat black interior. We kept the gauges and the fuel tank silver, took the driver's head off, kept that done. We added a chunk of lead right there. And we've added 6 grams of weight, 22 caliber pellets for an air rifle. We squished those up, put them in there. We actually, you'll see the video, Jesse squished them down lower on the flip side and then pancaked them. They're nice. We put a small O-ring behind each one of the wheels, give it maybe up to 1 millimeter of, or 2 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter overall width stance on it. So give these guys a try, or check them out, see if any mods work. Let's go.
Okay, so yeah, we
through our mods at these little guys today. This guy, can't really tell, but flat black hood on him, flat black interior, and we painted the cage flat black. This is actually just clear flat over top, to me a PS56 or something like that. Through the O-rings behind the wheels, we discussed this earlier in the video, just going to recap over it. There's a chunk of lead weight we added under the front of this one. Lead pellets in behind the rims for extra weight. We did a prep on the tires, which is just wash them with WD-40. We took a wire brush, brushed them down, washed them sunlight, soap and water, made sure we got all the grease and oils off. Softens the rubber up a little bit, helps it perform. You're going to want to do that before you go out for a crawl with any vehicle if you want to have a good time. Dirty tires are no good crawling. Same thing on the green one, just a little bit bigger weight. You know, number 2 version always comes out a little bit different. Same thing, weights in the wheel. They both crawl amazingly now. They were great out of the box. Now they just crawl a lot better. Front bumper kind of sometimes gets in the way, but it's either that or the frame, so you know, it's plastic, mashes up and gets out of the way pretty good. We're gonna get 2 more. We're gonna do hard body builds on more of a trail truck. These are gonna keep these ones for the hardcore, you know, hardcore micro crawling, however you want to call it. This guy tomorrow is gonna get masked up and done in flat, everything on the green, so it pops out, looks a lot better. And we're gonna paint the wheels on this guy olive drab green, and wheels on this guy gold, because red and gold it's great together. So, and for mods besides that, we're gonna look at a way to just put a little bit of slow down these shocks a little bit. They're actually super decent micro shocks. Like, they get a lot of travel, really nice spring on them. They look good, so no, but they're, you know, like any micro, they can't hold oil. There's no way of putting oil in, too small of a part. Grease will work. Different thicknesses of grease work in there, and it'll stay in there, which is nice. But when it does get cold outside, then you're not driving them outside. It'll just not work. So we're gonna try that. Pop them off. We'll shoot a video on that. These lead weights on the bottom, anybody can make that. That's just a 14-gram lead weight. Cut a V in the middle, little notch up top, fit around the dry shaft. Fits in there nice. Really, if you want to keep it looking clean and hide some weight like we've done, it's about your best bet. You can't see it. It's, you know, when she's sitting on the truck, and she gets a lot of extra weight just sitting on the front axle. These trucks do climb so well. They have a good suspension layout. The skid plate a little bit more to the front, the longer links in the back gives you that nice little bump up, pushes your weight to that, you know, front quadrant distribution a lot better. So we got to take the tires off, clean them, prep them, get them ready to go out next time, put the batteries on charge. We got like an hour and a half of straight running on these batteries out in the rock pile in my yard. You'll see in the video. Yeah, no, we're going to have lots of fun with these guys. I recommend them if you guys don't got one yet. Run out and grab yourself a pair of them. They're a lot more fun in 2, unless you're by yourself, then that'd be just weird. But yeah, check them out, and check us out. Throw a subscribe with the notification bell. Lots more trucks in order coming up. We're just waiting for shipping. So thanks, guys. See you later. Bye. Bye, Jesse.